Okay, to get me the files, it's pretty easy. You just go to Dropbox. And then you go to Files and File Requests. Request files over here. And then what are you requesting? You put in whatever, ball, drop, and vote. It'll create a folder in your Dropbox by that same name. And then you hit next. And then you can send an email to netcastproducer@gmail.com and hit send. If you have a message, or you can put it here, but you don't need that. Send. And that's it. I'll get a link. I'll hit the link and I'll upload the files, and they'll end up in your Dropbox in a folder called Ball, Drop, and Vote, or whatever I said. So it's real simple.